The places to visit, cuisine, and job opportunities in Turkey. Istanbul, the enchanting city that straddles two continents, Europe and Asia. Explore the Grand Bazaar, Topkapi Palace, and take a Bosphorus cruise for breathtaking views of the city's skyline. Cappadocia, marvel at the fairy chimneys, cave churches, and underground cities. Don't miss the opportunity to take a sunrise hot air balloon ride for a magical experience. Ephesus, wander through the ancient city's well-preserved ruins, including the Library of Celsus and the Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Pamukkale, witness the stunning natural terraces formed by calcium deposits from thermal spring waters. You can even take a dip in the warm, mineral-rich pools. Antalya, explore the old town, known as Kalaichi, with its historic architecture and charming streets. The city is also a gateway to the beautiful Mediterranean coast. Bodrum, a coastal paradise famous for its vibrant nightlife, sandy beaches, and the historic Bodrum Castle, which houses the Museum of Underwater Archaeology. Ankara, Turkey's capital, boasts significant historical sites, including the Ataturk Mausoleum and the ancient Roman Temple of Augustus. Göreme National Park, admire the surreal landscape filled with rock formations and cave dwellings. Hiking and exploring the rock-cut churches are popular activities. Troy, walk through the archaeological site of ancient Troy, famous for the legendary Trojan War. The reconstructed wooden horse is a must-see. Mount Ararat, a challenging trek to the summit of Turkey's highest peak, offers stunning views and a chance to explore the rugged beauty of eastern Anatolia. Aphrodisias, discover the well-preserved stadium, which could accommodate over 30,000 spectators, and the Temple of Aphrodite, a testament to ancient craftsmanship. Safranbolu, stroll through its historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and admire the well-preserved Ottoman architecture and unique Safranbolu houses. Samela Monastery, perched on a cliff, this ancient Greek Orthodox monastery offers a blend of spiritual history and breathtaking natural scenery. Aspendos, visit the best-preserved ancient theater in Turkey, renowned for its remarkable acoustics, which are still used for performances today. Mount Nemrut, gaze upon the colossal statues and ancient tomb sanctuary built by King Antiochus I, Theos of Commagene. Oladines, relax on the famous Blue Lagoon beach and take in the stunning views from the nearby Babadağ mountain. Side wander among the ruins of the ancient city, including the Temple of Apollo, and enjoy the scenic harbor. Fethiye, a popular coastal town known for its scenic beauty and water activities. Don't miss the Lycian rock tombs overlooking the town. Trabzon, explore the Samela Monastery, Uzungöl Lake, and the Hagia Sophia Museum, which was originally a Greek Orthodox church. Mardin, admire the stunning stonework and architecture of this city perched on a hill, known for its unique blend of Arabic and Turkish culture. Konya, home to the Mevlana Museum, dedicated to the mystic poet Rumi, and the mesmerizing whirling dervishes performances. Marmaris, enjoy the picturesque marina, beautiful beaches, and vibrant nightlife along the Turkish Riviera. Hierapolis, explore the well-preserved Roman ruins and take a relaxing dip in the thermal pools of Pamukkale. Mount Uludag, visit in the winter for skiing or in the summer for hiking, picnicking, and stunning panoramic views. Troy Museum, discover artifacts and exhibits that shed light on the ancient history of Troy, including the famous Trojan War. Cuisine. Pilaf varieties. Turkish pilaf comes in various forms, including bulgur pilaf, rice pilaf, and quinoa pilaf. It's often served as a flavorful side dish with meat or vegetables. Dolma varieties. While grape leaves are the most famous, Turkish cuisine features a variety of stuffed vegetables, such as bell peppers, zucchinis, and eggplants, each with its unique filling. Gözleme. These savory Turkish flatbreads are made by hand-rolling thin dough and filling it with ingredients like spinach and feta cheese. They're then cooked on a griddle until crispy. Turkish breakfast. Turkish breakfasts are a feast with a variety of cheeses, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggs, and various jams. Served with fresh bread, it's a morning ritual in Turkey. Raki. Known as the lion's milk, Raki is an anise-flavored alcoholic drink that is often enjoyed with meze, making it an integral part of social gatherings. Jobs. Tourism industry. Turkey's tourism industry is one of the largest in the world, offering jobs in hotels, restaurants, tour operations, and cultural sites. Teaching English. English language schools and private tutoring are common opportunities for native or fluent English speakers. Tech startups. Istanbul and other major cities are hubs for technology startups, offering job opportunities in software development, data analysis, and digital marketing. Finance and banking. Istanbul is home to many international banks and financial institutions, providing opportunities in finance, investment banking, and accounting. Healthcare. Turkey's healthcare sector is growing, and there's a demand for healthcare professionals, including doctors, nurses, and medical researchers. Hospitality. The hospitality industry is booming, with opportunities in restaurants, bars, cafes, and luxury resorts along the beautiful Turkish coast. Export and trade. Turkey's strategic location at the crossroads of Europe and Asia makes it a hub for trade, logistics, and supply chain management jobs. Construction and real estate. The real estate market in Turkey is thriving, offering jobs in construction, architecture, and property management. Entrepreneurship. Turkey encourages entrepreneurship with various incentives and support programs for startups and small businesses. Turkey's rich history, diverse cuisine, and growing job market make it an attractive destination for travelers and job seekers alike. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins or pursuing a career in a dynamic industry, Turkey has a lot to offer.